Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick review of Imqrscan. Now Imqrscan is what is it about? It's about easily generating static QR scans with their free tools. Their free tool will allow you to create static QR scans that link you to URLs, attach email addresses and text messages, share links to social media and so much more. Whether in the promotional link or even just a personal message, you can now do it yourself courtesy of their free QR code generator. You can generate here and you can also play to watch this video. So let us see what's more. So for you to be able to create the QR code, you do this in 4 simple steps. Step 1, choose your QR code format. Step 2, enter your domain. Step 3, customize QR code style. And the last step, then download the dynamic QR code. It's as simple as that. So you can create a unique circle QR code generator. Also, it is very simple to create and effortless to use. There's a little benefit of the circle QR scan. You get them, so you can have it on your phone, on your PC. So you can use the QR code anywhere, like we said before. So simplify QR code generator, you can effortlessly create and customize QR code in seconds. So you can access real-time data, turn clicks into conversion easily. So it also has, you can also create landing pages, customize the QR codes. QR codes are versatile too, so you can enhance them and use them to boost user engagement and brand recognition. When it comes to, you can see it's type of QR codes you can, so dynamic URL, multi-link URL, vCard plus, so many, even for WhatsApp chat, resume QR. So select a type of QR code here and then you click on it to generate for you. It's as simple as that. So some of you may be asking, what is this? Okay, Imqrscan is a progressive answer for organizations that need to combine QR scans into their advertising techniques with an expert touch. But what is it exactly and how can I assist you? Well, it is custom design with your brand's logo, color scheme and layout element, making them immediately recognizable to your audience. So that's what it does. It will custom design your brand logo, color scheme and layout element, making it immediately recognizable to your audience. The device no longer only make your QR scans visually attractive, but also provide a layer of professionalism and trustworthiness for your business. So how can it help you in your marketing? It isn't always pretty much producing QR scan. It's also always your advertising effort with effective tools. The potential to create certain dynamic QR codes. It may be used for extensive advertising strategy, from sharing promotion to boosting engagement on social media. So you can use it for event engagement, promotion and discounts, product information, social media integration. If you want to know more, just click here and get to know more. So what are you waiting for? You want an encrypted one, you can easily get it. So get started today. It's an all-inclusive platform. It has a complete solution. It has in-depth analytics and so much more. So give it a try.